and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making lobster tails smothered with a buttery garlic herb sauce that is to die for. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to take our lobster in our kitchen shear and we're going to cut right down the middle. So here are my lobster tails. As you can tell, they are huge. So what I did after cutting them through the center, I pushed the meat up on top of the shell to sit them. And this one had already had a crack on it. So when I sliced the top, it pretty much fell apart. And this is perfectly fine. I'm just going to work with it that way. So I'm just going to set this aside. For the buttery sauce, I have some butter in a bowl, and I am going to add some lemon pepper, paprika, garlic powder, parsley, Cajun seasoning. Now we are going to place this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, this is how my butter is looking, so I am going to give that a mix. Now go ahead and set your oven to broil, and we're going to brush the lobster tails with this yummy garlic sauce. And we want to make sure that we get the bottom of this lobster tails as well, as we want this to be delicious. After brushing it, we are going to place it right back on top of that shell, just like so. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. Here are my lobster tails. They look amazing. So I am going to stick them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is how my lobsters are looking after 15 minutes in the oven, and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my lobster tails are ready. Take a look. Doesn't they look amazing? I have some extra buttery sauce on the side for dipping. I'm going to serve them with some steamed broccoli, twice baked potatoes. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.